Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we explored the power of cron jobs and how they can automate tasks for you. If you missed it, I've linked it below in the description. But here is the thing, cron has one major limitation, which is it doesn't run missed jobs if your machine is turned off at the scheduled time. Here where Anacron comes into play, the perfect complement to cron. It ensures that important tasks still get executed even if your system was off when they were supposed to run. In this video, we will explore what Anacron is, why it's so essential, and how to run it alongside cron for maximum efficiency. Let's dive right in. Unlike cron, which works on precise schedules, Anacron is designed to ensure tasks are executed eventually. It's especially useful for systems that aren't running 24/7, like laptops or personal desktops. While cron skips tasks if your system is off at the scheduled time, Anacron ensures missed jobs are tracked and runs them as soon as the machine is powered on. However, it's important to note that Anacron executes tasks only during system startup, unless explicitly invoked. Anacron doesn't work with exact timing like cron. It focuses on daily, weekly, or monthly schedules. This makes it ideal for non-urgent but essential tasks like backups or maintenance that don't require precise timing. Anacron uses the etc Anacron tab file to manage its jobs. Each line in this file represents a scheduled task and follows the simple syntax. The first field represents the frequency of the task, like 1 for daily, 7 for weekly, or 30 for monthly. Then comes the delay, which is the time in minutes to wait before running the job after the system starts. And then comes a unique label for the job, and last, the script or the command to execute. For example, this specifies a task that runs weekly and waits for 15 minutes after system startup before executing the command. It's crucial here to assign appropriate delays for each task to avoid all tasks running simultaneously at startup, which could overwhelm system resources and significantly slow down your machine. Staggering tasks ensures smoother performance and efficient resource usage. Here are some practical examples to show how Anacron can make your life easier. First, it helps keep your system secure by automating weekly updates. Next, we have a monthly folder backup to safeguard your important files. And finally, a monthly system cleanup to keep things running smoothly. From here, you can build on these tasks and customize them to fit your workflow perfectly. Previously, we mentioned that Anacron runs only at system startup. It checks the most recently run jobs, compares their dates with the current date, and executes any overdue tasks. But what happens if your system stays up and running for an extended period? In this case, Anacron won't run automatically. It requires manual triggering. This is where cron steps in to fill the gap, ensuring your task stays on schedule even when your system doesn't reboot. Setting up cron to trigger Anacron is simple and effective. For example, you can create a single admin cron job to run Anacron at 7 AM every day. This setup ensures that Anacron scans for overdue tasks daily and runs them as needed. By combining the precision of cron with the reliability of Anacron, you get the perfect setup for seamless task scheduling and automation. And that's a wrap. Anacron is a lifesaver for those critical tasks you can't afford to miss, especially if your system isn't always running. Whether it's backups, cleanups, or system updates, it's the perfect partner to cron. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.